Let's have a puff. Let's have a puff. Swallow, kiddo. Did you eat the puff, or are you waiting for it to disintegrate? Are you gonna eat it? No? We'll just stick with yogurt. We'll stick with yogurt. Eat the puff, silly. I still see it in there. Alright, that was our puff adventure. She won't eat them off her tray, so we gotta feed it to her in her spoon. Let's get one more. Here you go, kiddo. Let's get a puff.
Stuck on your lip.
It doesn't know what to do.
It's stuck on your lip.
Eat it, kiddo. There you go.
Get in there. Oh, that's mean, Puff.
Oh, the hideous puff.